Traders, we're looking at the pound dollar. So we see this price action giving us this rounded base. And I'm interested in in the possibility that this actually reverses. Just go out to the daily and have a look at it. All right, there's a possibility. Okay, it's not confirmed yet, but we do have a break of this, a break of market structure. Right, so I'm looking at, on the daily time frame, this break of this previous high right here. So we'll call that a BOS. Okay, it's traded up with a vengeance. So we're seeing higher high, higher low, and now an equal high. So look, a true break of structure would be a continuation and a pullback, something like that. So I'm looking at a potential target around the high of this daily candle here. See through this thin candle, we've got resistance up in here. So how do you get involved with this? Well, I'll be going down the time frames. Let's just have a quick look on the 4 hour. What I want to see is a break of this high here and a retrace back in to retest it, and that would be a potential entry point. We go down to a 30-minute time frame. Just watch this trend, and I want to see a continuation of that. All right, the breakout, the break, retest, and fail, and that would be a potential entry. Yeah, let's just mark that up. Possible entry long. Possible entry long on breakout and retest. It's retest and fail on breakout, comma. All right, possible entry long. All right, that makes a lot of sense to me, guys, and that's my target. Okay, this is a previous daily. We could mark that up. So the target is a previous. Okay, target is a previous daily high. So that's what I'm looking at. So it's absolutely depending on whether we see a break of this level here and it pulls back into it. Keep an eye on the DXY as well. Okay, so if we see the dollar weaken, then a pound dollar opportunity could be the thing. Yeah, I don't mind this price action at the moment. So that's my take on the pound dollar, guys. I would love to hear your thoughts. So definitely comment below. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.